between the United States, Iran,
Oregon Public Broadcasting is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
.org. Heading into the afternoon, our newscast just about a minute away, and then it's conversation on today's Think Out Loud. Dave Miller's the host of the program. He joins me from the Gert Boyle studio to preview it. Hi, Dave.
Hi there.
What's ahead on the show?
Well, we're going to be starting today with a conversation about one of the most significant voter-passed laws of the last quarter century, Measure 11, which instituted mandatory minimum sentences